Made it up to my brother Steve's just in time for the evening campfire, Friday evening, for the Cheeseburger Festival this weekend. He's up here in Caseville on one of the canals that leads out into the bay. Been doing good on the walleye. Getting the campfire ready.
Instead I had Arby's. Oh, sorry. Hi. Stop. Why are you taping me?
Just the conversation was going real good.
Well, you better keep that thing handy then.
Here at the campfire. Susie, say hi.
Hi.
Steve,
Hi.
Keith,
Kirk.
Oh,
and Robin, right?
Hello.
And Callie.
You're going to be on YouTube. He has retired and roaming. And he posts all his goodies. His cruises, his trips.
On the campfire.
Yep.
oh crap! You just got me on film with alcohol.
Oh no. we can edit that. So what, you have a contest on the houses or something? Of the township? And who's best decorated for the Cheeseburger Festival? And the winner is sharks in the water. Cheeseburger. Okay.
Hello.
Hi guys,
Hi.
how many?
4?
4 and a puppy?
4 and a puppy,
Inside or outside?
outside. What happened if that was the circus center?
Well then yes. Then yes, we'd be able to. Yes.
Hi.
Cream pie.
Nice.
And since you guys are here, I felt it was necessary you have a shot of one of our lighter ones. And since the Lady Lavender is so unique, you guys should really try it.
Well, that was going to be my second choice, remember?
Perfect. Yeah, I know you said that, so I figured you guys should try it
I
out.
do like
Okay.
it.
All right, guys. Enjoy
Okay.
your beer.
Thank you.
You're
Lemony?
very welcome. Can I place any food orders for you today?
What do you think, Keith?
Good.
Good? That's the oatmeal stout.
Yeah, it looks like they left
wanna
oatmeal in
taste
it.
Yeah.
This
This
is
is-
the cream pie
It's like
thing.
prune juice.
Oatmeal cream
This is,
pie.
this is good. This is pretty damn good. Too much coffee flavor to me. I got coffee flavor.
Oh,
This is good.
I don't. And I like porters and stouts. I don't like that one.
I like
Not
it.
You
bad.
want to taste this one?
Is that fruity?
No,
No.
oatmeal cream pie.
Well, cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And Charmaine.
No,
Charmaine, cheers to
She's
Charmaine.
here drinking with us.
Yes. Farmer's market.
Farmer's market.
I don't know, for $60, so maybe not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be worth it.
I'm just here to lift stuff.
Avery Smokehouse.
Go.
The cartoon.
Yeah, darn. It was on the tip of my tongue.
The guy. The dad. Oh. Yeah, exactly. That one. Yeah.
Steve and Susie taking us out for a boat ride. The neighbors and neighbors' kids, grandkids. Gonna take them tubing. Us swimming.
Hey, Maurice. Hey, Maurice. This water actually cools you off when you jump in it. This is Wildfowl Bay. There goes that Saginaw Bay out there. And Lake Huron just north of us. Don't go slow. Is that what you said? Don't go slow. We got it.
We got it. Okay.
Faster, slower, what? Faster!
Where's the tricks?
Faster. Okay, that's good enough. I'm tired already.
Okay, the boys' turn. See ya!
Hey, how come it's leaning over to one side so much? Yeah. Maybe you gotta shorten that one boat a little bit.
I will. I'll take care of it.
Need some ballast down there.
Somebody's gonna sleep good tonight. Made it longer than I thought he would.
Yeah, hanging in there.
Yeah, wiggle. Whip around. Yes, and then whip going around the circle.
Hold on. He's got to pull himself up. Pull yourself up.
Pull yourself up!
Everybody say hi, welcome to Cheeseburger.
Hey, welcome to Cheeseburger.
Out here swimming on what's this, the North Shore?
North Shore, yeah. Saginaw Bay. And out there past Charity Island, Lake, where the Lake Huron starts.
There's the Cheeseburger.
Nice place.
What do you think of the size of that, Keith? Boy, can you handle that one?
Brad filled you up.
Luckily, I went with the fish and chips. We'll see how that is. How many times you seen it like this, Steve?
Not very many.
It's like glass out here. What a ride. Saginaw Bay. You can hear over this wind. I'm sure it's going to be. Charity Island. What's that one over there?
Little Charity.
Little Charity.
Yeah. And over there's like the other side is like now was.
But the fishing's off. Perch aren't in yet, and the walleye have left.
They're out deep.
Too warm for them. Coming in off of Lake Huron, this warn you of the islands here before you get to Saginaw Bay. So what is this?
This is Charity Island. There's, I guess, trails that go to that.
To that lighthouse?
Yeah. Come on, get out.
And this was an old marina at one time. Come on, Callie.
I don't think that's worked in a while.
Yeah, I think that's got a little repair work. There's some information on it though. Must have been the old lightkeeper's place. Hey, a pudding stone. Or a jasper conglomerate, I think is the correct term.
Oh. Okay.
Charity Island Lighthouse Restoration Effort. 1857.
Apparently ain't much of an effort. Ooh, spent a whole $700.
Yeah, I think they got a long way to go. (1835) Congress authorizes $4,800 for a lighthouse on Charity Island. 1837, Michigan becomes a state. This becomes a state-owned island. 1856, a crew arrives to begin construction. 1857, lighthouse officially goes into service. Colin Graham serves as its first lightkeeper, accompanied by his wife Catherine and their 12 children.
You know what they did in the lighthouse?
Yeah. Well, you know, it got kind of boring. 1865, Abraham Lincoln signs order making Charity Island federal property, then dies from an assassin's bullet 15 days later. By the end of the 1880s, Great Lakes have become the superhighway of a young, fast-growing nation. Shipping traffic along the Lake Huron shoreline has frequently been described as bumper to bumper. 1910, the lightkeeper's property has a large garden plot, a chicken coop, a pig pen, and an apple orchard. (39 feet tall). Make sure these things hold. That one's a little iffy. There's Steve and Callie. And of course the sun's going to be in the way. That's Lake Huron. Perry and Fanny Glick were here in 2002. So much for Charity Island. We had to get out of there before the mosquitoes ate us alive. Right at dusk. Still eating us. Charity Island, Michigan Islands National Wildlife Refuge.
This is where you are in the scheme of things.
There's Saginaw Bay.
To Lake Huron.
Lake Huron.